What's up, subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about some updates for one of my favorite penny stocks, Inuvo, trading under the ticker INUV. But first, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so that you get notifications about our future videos talking about the stock market and personal finances. And while you're down there, if you haven't already, be sure to check out the links in the description to get your free shares of stock from Webull whenever you open and fund your account, as well as $10 of free Bitcoin from Coinbase whenever you open your account and make your first $100 purchase of cryptocurrency. And don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. So grab a cup of coffee or your favorite beverage of choice, and let's jump into it. Since the last time that we talked about Inuvo a few weeks ago here on my channel, the volatility has been continuing, and Inuvo has been falling like a knife, with Inuvo share price falling under $1 per share. Although at the time that I'm recording this video, Inuvo was seeing some recovery along with the broader market. But aside from the broader market volatility, what has been going on with Inuvo fundamentally as a company? Earlier this month, Inuvo announced some positive press releases about some of the clients that are utilizing its IntentKey technology. On April the 5th, Inuvo announced that one of its clients, a national luxury home retailer, was able to generate an 88-to-1 return on its ad spending by utilizing the IntentKey AI technology, enabling the retailer to find new audiences based on changing intents of its consumers. And then later, on April 22nd, Inuvo announced month-over-month growth for Saracen Casino Resort, announcing that Saracen Casino is the first client to leverage the IntentKey across all of their digital marketing channels. So where does Inuvo and the stock price go from here? At the time that I'm recording this video, Inuvo saw some nice movement, up around 20% in trading today and closing out right at around 92 cents per share. Led higher along with the broader market, especially technology companies, with some of the biggest companies like Tesla, Apple, Facebook, Microsoft, and Amazon set to report earnings this week. Taking a look at Inuvo's stock chart from more of a technical perspective, we can see that overall this year, the share price has been pulling back, but I believe that Inuvo is starting to form strong support at around 66 cents per share, as it did briefly fall down to that range before starting to trend back up. And I believe that the next area of resistance that we may see start to form is right around $1 per share. So here in the short term, over the next couple weeks, unless we get some big news that comes out that moves the stock market overall, I wouldn't be surprised to see Inuvo's share price trade within this range. And I personally, as an Inuvo shareholder, will be looking forward to May 13th to see Inuvo's next earnings report, which I believe could be the catalyst to push Inuvo's share price higher, back well above $1 per share. So what have I been doing with this volatility in Inuvo's share price over the short term? I'll admit, here in the short term, I personally bought into Inuvo way too soon, opening my initial position whenever it was trading at around $2 per share. So here over the past few weeks, with all of this volatility, I have definitely been putting some additional capital into my position to lower my cost basis. While I do like the potential ahead for Inuvo in the long term, as one of my more speculative investments, personally here in the short term, I'll be looking to swing some shares in order to make a quick profit and further lower my basis. But just remember, my videos are never medical or financial advice. They're merely me researching a company and discussing my opinions about that company based on my research. Inuvo is an extremely small market cap penny stock company, currently with a market capitalization of around $109 million. So an investment with Inuvo comes with a ton of inherent risks, and you should only be investing in Inuvo if you're willing to accept those risks after doing your own research. What are your thoughts about Inuvo? Are you invested in INUV? Are you thinking about investing in Inuvo? Where do you think the share price is going over both the short term and the long term? Be sure to comment down below and let me know what you think. And while you're down there, if there are any other stocks or topics that you would like me to talk about in a future video, please feel free to comment that down below as well. As a reminder, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a certified financial planner. I'm a resident physician with an interest in personal finances and investing. Please make sure you're doing your own research before you make any financial decisions. And please be sure to smash that like button and click on the subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.